South Africa is not happy that Nandipha got a celebrity treatment from the South African police service. No handcuffs. She was traveling comfortably in the V-class like a vehicle. I thought the criminals sit at the back of the van in the handcuffs, but not Nandipha, guys. As we all know, even Julius Malema went on to say that they cannot trust Kgoshi Mampuru prison. Utabo Pastor need to be sent far away, guys, where he will not even see his family member. Anyway, guys, welcome to Tuli Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like and comment. The recent news of Thabo Pastor and Dr. Nandipha has left South African in state of shock. The couple were involved in criminal activities, decided to flee the country to avoid facing the consequences of their action. However, they were eventually caught in Tanzania and brought back to South Africa to face justice, guys. For the past week, South Africa has been waiting the arrival of the couple, hoping they will be held accountable for their early criminals, guys. Early this morning, the couple finally arrived in South Africa, with Dr. Nandipha being escorted by the South African police service with her face hidden, wearing a jacket and a mask, guys. But somebody decided, you know what, I'm not gonna let South African down. We finally saw her face. As you can see, she is shocked, like she's surprised that this is not the Nandia that we used to see her on Instagram, guys. And some really noticed that, you know what, it looks like her cell phone is in the jacket, appeared to be switched on. Perhaps somebody was calling her during the arrest. Imagine now she's holding, there is a cell phone, you can see the jacket, there's a full phone later, you know what, you know, right? Anyway, guys, the Thabo Pastor and Nandipha has been making headline in South Africa after their criminal activities were exposed. The couple were alleged involved in several fraud schemes. So, guys, their action has affected many people, and their crimes has had significant impact on the country economy and their health, guys. The fact that this couple flew the country to attempt to escape justice has further angry South Africans who feel they should have held accountable for their action, guys, especially for this type of crime.